Hey, it's Kyle. Welcome to the channel. So I recorded this video, brought it to my computer only to find out that the video was corrupt. Fixed that, but it had no audio. So here I am doing a voiceover. Hope that is okay. But wanted to do a quick video on all the things that I got at the MOORE Expo. Got 3 things at the MOORE Expo. The first thing I got was a new Flextail core table. Now, I had purchased one of these tables from Costco at about $100, and that is the one that is in yellow with the yellow rails that I'm standing behind right now. Flextail people were at MOORE Expo and had the smaller table that is in blue that was less weight, smaller, had all of the accessories that I needed, and was a lighter table. One thing that it also came with was a cutting board that attached to the metal side of that table. Now, that cutting board that I just showed you is pretty heavy, so I'm probably not going to use that, but the smaller blue table has got the metal on one side, the plastic on the other side. It raises up to the same height of this table and is just less bulky. So I purchased that table for $120. Came with all the accessories that the bigger table had. And here I'm going to take a measurement. Each one of the longer table sides is 31 inches for a total of 62 inches. The smaller table is 25, so it is 6 inches on each side, so a foot smaller total length. It is probably, I want to say, 3 or 4 inches smaller the other way, which really isn't that big of a deal to me, but the main reason why I bought it was just smaller, less bulky. One of the things that I did not like about the larger table was the weight. It's got a lot of weight to it. So I'm going to use this smaller table, the blue one, whenever I go camping. If you want to purchase the larger table, I'll give you a good deal on it. You'll have to come and get it in St. Louis, or I can bring it to you at a camp out, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell that for a reasonable price. So if you're interested, let me know. I will also put the link to the Flextail website below. I did a review on the bigger table. Should probably do a new review on the smaller table, but it's basically the same thing, but just smaller. Next thing I wanted to show you was this new flated back window that they just came out with, like maybe 2 or 3 days before the MOORE Expo. I actually sat down with the owner of Flated at an event on Thursday, told him all of the cool things that I was doing with my Flated topper, and he said, "Have you seen our new back window?" I said, "Yeah." I saw it in an email, and then I actually saw it at the expo and purchased a new one. So the old one that I have, I actually punctured that window in Colorado. I bought a new window. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging, and I told them, hey, I can return that old window if you want to sell me a new window for the difference. And they made me a deal and basically told me, you can keep the old window just in case this one punctures and you need to put a new window. The problem that I had with the old window was whenever you unzipped the window, it was just the vinyl window. There wasn't an air mesh, window there. Also, whenever you flipped it up and wanted to get inside the topper from the back, after you unzipped it, it really didn't stay up. It always, flopped down, and you were always fighting with the window. From what I understand, this window system does not do that. You have to pump this up so it has air in it. And then also, they have a smaller window that is inside the bigger window that is both vinyl and a mesh. So you can pull that off from the Velcro, have some airflow while the larger door is zipped up tight. So thanks to Flated for giving me that that topper, or selling me that window. Appreciate it. Got a good deal on it. I'm going to do a video on the installation of this back window, along with putting the air topper on my truck, because it is camping season and I have yet to do that. So I'm going to take the tonneau cover off and I'm going to put the Flated topper back on probably in the next week. So be watching for a video. Next thing I purchased was, this is a magnetic pew-pew holder, if you know what I mean. I have a device in my trailer that I use for self-defense, and one of the things that I did not like about my setup was it is buried and a little tough to get to in an emergency. I wanted to make it more accessible. So there was a company called CoJo Manufacturing out of Louisiana that was selling these magnetic holders. He had a whole bunch of different holders. They were only like $30. So there was one that I liked, but I don't think it was going to work on the way that I was going to mount it in my trailer. So I bought this mount that has kind of a stair-step effect where you can mount it at different angles to get to your device, your self-defense device, easily, that I'm going to put like right inside the door. So if I need to get to it, it can be accessed quickly. Now, I also have bear spray and some other things that I keep with me, but I just felt like I didn't have a good way of mounting and getting to the device quickly. You can see that I'm trying to pull it up off of the metal tabletop there. It's got rare earth magnets in there, and it secures your device very quickly, or very easily, and you can bounce this thing around and it's not going to go anywhere. That is basically just going to screw into the side of my trailer on the inside, and then it just, you know, has those rare earth magnets that you can stick on the shaft of your pew-pew device. So I bought that for $30, thought that was a good deal, and yeah. So that's everything that I bought at the MOORE Expo. Obviously, I wanted to buy more, but my pocketbook would not allow me. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for dealing with the overdub for the video, and we'll catch you camping.